So, I'm on my way sa gym. So now, pull day. Yeah, may ganap dito guys. I think this is for the Caraga Regional Athletic Meet Serum. Yeah. So I'm going to get my coffee. Di dyan ako, boss.
Gcash na yun?
Cash na, boss.
Sige.
Sige. So, guys, get my coffee. Here. This from Theory Coffee. Yeah. And this one is off menu. So, ako lang daw ang giserve natin. So, yeah. Thankful. Thank you, Theory Coffee. The bond we created left you feel suffocated. Oh, no harm intended, but you tried.
Ang owner niya dira no. Pero magpag abot na ni mo sa buwan. Din sa motor ate.
Motor-rotate man eh. Sunday. So, I'm done sa gym. I did full day and nagduko cover sa dance break ng SB ng Visa by SB19. So tiring guys, kay cardio siya at the same time, and I don't know, like yeah, mauna ko na feel kapoy kayo sa legs. So anyways, I'm done. Peace out. Peace out. Okay, bye.